I created a fully professional resume using ChatGPT for free in under 2 minutes. No designer needed, no paid tools, nothing. Let me show you exactly how. Let's get into it. This is the resume we are going to create today. Clean layout, professional design, profile picture placed perfectly, all sections organized clearly, and it was created completely for free using ChatGPT in just a few minutes. Let's build one just like this for you. Go to chatgpt.com, sign in or create a free account. In the prompt box, enter this prompt exactly as it is. Act as an expert resume writer, ATS optimization specialist, and professional resume designer, and send it. This tells ChatGPT exactly what role to play before we give it our details. Now click on the plus icon in the prompt box and click on Add Photos and Files. Select your profile picture and click Open to upload it. Make sure your profile picture looks professional. Click on the plus icon again and click on Create Image. Now copy the resume template from the description below and paste it directly into ChatGPT. The template will guide you through everything step by step. Start with your personal information, your full name, the job role you are applying for, phone number, email, location, LinkedIn and portfolio links. Then fill in your professional summary. Just write a few lines about your experience, skills, and the kind of role you are targeting. Do not worry about making it perfect. ChatGPT will rewrite and define everything into strong professional language automatically. Then add your skills, work experience, education, certifications, projects, and awards. For your work experience, just add rough bullet points about what you did and what you achieved. ChatGPT will turn even basic notes into impressive professional language. Once everything is filled in, send the prompt and just look at the result. Clean design, profile picture placed neatly, all sections clearly organized, and the language is strong and ATS-friendly. Click on the image and download it to your PC. Your professional resume is ready. Fill in as much details as possible for the best result. And if you want any changes, just ask ChatGPT to update specific sections and regenerate. The full resume template is in the description. Copy it, fill in your details, and let ChatGPT do the rest. Found this helpful? Hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs a better resume, and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tutorials. See you in the next one.